Hello and welcome to this pdf2Data update video, specifically as it relates to the boundary selector. This is how we specify a specific area now within the PDF document for extraction. Like before, we'll create a new data field. And notice there's now a new search area. To specify, let's say for instance we'd like to extract this paragraph, the ship to address. I could tell it specifically to search in a custom area, and just like before you have the ability to select that area, and we can add, as before, another selector here. We'll say paragraph, eliminate running text, apply. So physically selecting specific areas within a PDF now is within the search area. And let's take a look at some of the options here. We just did custom, but you can have it select the whole document as a default or just the page you're on as a default. So that search area is new with version 4.3.2. Thanks a lot for watching.